Flags about arsenal.
10 minutes of non-stop news starts now.
Personal information of thousands of homeowners stolen.
The computer system belonging to D.R. Horton, the country's largest home builder, hacked. It's a story you'll see only on 7 News. 7 News reporter Russell Haythorne has been digging for answers, and Russell, D.R. Horton just issued a statement to you within the past hour.
Mike, they say the situation is regrettable and they are now modifying their security systems. But for the thousands of homeowners potentially affected, some tell us it is too little, too late. Javier has been having problems with D.R. Horton for years.
Big time.
His wood floors are separating, his tile countertops are popping up, his basement windows aren't properly sealed.
They just cut corners everywhere.
And now there's this.
It was shocking, definitely.
He got a letter from his home builder, D.R. Horton, stating his identity and personal information were hacked. Name, date of birth, contact information, marital status, social security number, and the list goes on.
Everything.
What's worse, he says, is D.R. Horton's response.
They are not offering anything, to provide any type of, peace of mind from the consumer.
D.R. Horton said in a statement, "We regret the inconvenience to our customers and encourage them to follow precautionary actions."
I'm not asking for much. It's just, it is an issue that happened with them, right? Fix it.
Javier works in IT, so he knows how vulnerable he is now. He says information is often bought and sold.
It's being sold. It's just like a marketing list.
As for D.R. Horton,
I will avoid them at all cost.
the security breach was more specifically with DHI Mortgage, a subsidiary of D.R. Horton. D.R. Horton is now telling those consumers affected to put fraud alerts on their accounts, which the homeowner we talked to found insulting. Live in Douglas County, Russell Haythorne, 7 News.
Hi, Russell, thank you. We first learned about this story from a 7 News viewer. If you have a story idea for us, give us a call at 303-832-7777 or contact us through Facebook, Twitter, or thedenverchannel.com.